Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this part of the tutorial, we will discuss how to generate the top Davit for this vessel, and here we have the detailed drawing for the top Davit. Now let's select can 1, and from the elements and from the external attachment, you will find here an item called top Davit. So now let's add the top Davit. Okay, and from here let's select it. As you can see, you will find on this list different types of top davits, so you can pick the suitable type for your case. Here we have two brackets, a bottom bracket which fixing the ball bearing, and another top bracket, and we have here a perpendicular pipe or bracing pipe and another bracing pipe, or a branch pipe and bracing pipe. The same configuration, but here, as you can see, with different diameters. The bottom clamp or the bottom bracket with a different diameter than the top bracket. Another type, which is type C, it's related to another standard spec, so you can use this type if it suits your requirements. Another type of the top davit, like that, and the lifting lug here is just a U-bolt, but in our case it's blade like that, so that type will not suit our requirement. And here another type. Now, so the nearest configuration here is type A. Okay, but here we have a slight projection from the branch pipe, and the bracing pipe has the same diameter of the main pipe, but in that case it has a different diameter. But no problem, let's use this type and start defining the dimensions. If we take a look here to this image, for the bottom bracket you will find two dimensions to define this plate, A and B, and here the projection, which is C and E. So if we take a look to that view, we can extract those dimensions. So that's the minimum width, and here the maximum width. So let's fill the dimensions as per this drawing. So I will fill the dimensions to be like that. And here finally we have the top davit on the vertical vessel. Okay, and now we could add some external attachments like external supports, platform supports. And now let's select, for example, can 1, and from here and from external we can select external platform clips. So from here we can select platform clip. We can call it clip 1, and when you select this support clip, you will find different configurations for this support clip. One of them, which is the support clip type A, and here support clip type B, you have a double supports with spacing, and here for the third type you have a cross section like a C created from formed plate, and here for the type D a single one. Okay, have a bracing like that, another stiffening clip like that. So you have many different configurations, so you can select the suitable type for your case and define it. Now let's select that one, for example, and define the dimensions of this one. So dimension A here is 420, and the width is 60 millimeters. That's the length, sorry, and dimension B, which is the width, it's 100 millimeter, and here's the thickness, the location here, it's 370. Okay, and for the projection, no problem, it's just loading. Here the width of the wear plate is 60 millimeter, and the length is 420, and the thickness, let's keep it 10 millimeter, and the fillet could be 15 millimeters, and the hole diameter and the hole offset, from the other side, C1 and C2, and here's the number of holes and number of columns. If you have more than one column, that's one column. If you have another pattern here, you can create this another pattern by duplicating that number. The column offset if you have another column, and that's if you have just only one, and that's in case in a radial. So if you have a heli-side one, you can select that option, but in our case, let's keep it like that. And here that's the location of this one, and let's click on save, and now let's start creating the assembly. So by that way, we have a support clip like that, so you can change the orientation of this one. So from here, let's modify the angle of this one. Let's make it on 120, and click on Start Assembly to modify the orientation of this one. I hope now we covered that's the start angle, sorry, so we could change the start angle from here. So let's make it 30 degrees. And if you have more than one support, so let's add 3 supports, for example. And here that's the first one and the last one orientation. So the first support will start on 30 degrees, and that's the last one. And now we have 30. So the second one will be exist between those angles. So let's start the assembly to update this support clip. So as you can see, now we have 3 support clips like that with equal spacing on the angular direction. Now, as you can see, in around let's say 2 hours, we generate the complete 3D model for this equipment, and you can get a detailed bill of material for your equipment from here, from SEG bill of material. And here you have the total weight of the equipment. It's around 47 tons. Okay, and you have here a list of the items. You can export this bill of material as an XLSX file. So let's go to the project name, or we can add this file directly to the desktop. And if we come here and open this file, here we have the bill of material. So let's select those columns and hide them. So we can hide that. And here we have the bill of material of our project. Here the item number, here the quantity, and here the description of the item and the technical characteristics of each item, and the material of the item and the weight of each item. Okay. I hope in this tutorial we covered the 3D modeling for this equipment, and inshallah on the next tutorials we will discuss another equipment. So if you have any questions, kindly contact us. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.